Hello YouTube, it's Andrew Homer, and well, the day has arrived. And it's late, but I finally have Mask Maker versus Skull Grinder. And now, what better way to do than bring these two to life? No, really. Nope. Evanescence reference not intended. Oh boy, the mother load! We get 3 bags of pieces, and the instructions. And now, let's build. Start by building Skull Grinder, and here is his torso. I also forgot to mention that there is this bag of small pieces. And now let's continue to move on. Alright, I've made the legs, and I'll attach them to the torso. And next we'll put the armor on. Here's Skull Grinder's knee armor. We'll put him on here. And 1 and 2. And next we'll do the gearbox. And we'll continue building. The continued gearbox. And we will attach it soon. Holy crap, we will! Just let me dig through. And here it looks like he's ready to be a Frankenstein-esque creation. Let's move on. I've put some armor on the torso now. And let's move on, shall we? Grinder's head must be like Lord Zed from Power Rangers. And now we'll attach it to the torso. And next, we can build the arms. We'll attach them to the torso too. Then we'll put them right here. Just I would. And he is looking good. Now to armor the arms. Put the armor on the arms. And I guess we can armor the torso. And add the weapon. Torso on. And now we can armor, or at least put on his weapons. Here's part of his weapons. And we'll continue building them. Well, we got the sword out. Now let's continue building the axe. Part of Skull Grinder's axe. And we can continue building right now. Alright, the axe is complete, and now we can attach it to the arm. Like so. Here we go. And now we can put on the mask, which is Skull Warrior's mask, except in a lighter shade of silver or gray. Ta-da! We finished the Skull Grinder, and now let's do a key move. Right, the mask maker. Key move's torso, and we'll do his legs next. Here are his legs. I will attach them to the torso right now. And let's move on. Alright, now let's armor the legs. And next, we'll do the gearbox. Here's the first part of the gearbox. And we'll continue later on. The second part of the gearbox. Don't worry, the yellow gear will come soon. I've attached the completed gearbox to the back of the torso. And let's keep building. Alright, I put on Akimu's chest armor. And let's see what comes next, shall we? Here's the head for Akimu. And then we will put his chest armor on right about now. And we did it! Now I guess the arms are next, right? Alright, I built the arms, fist bump, and now I can attach them to the torso. And now we can put the chest armor on while Akimu is busy sunbathing. I got the chest armor on, and I'll put it on the top of the arms. Looking good. Now we'll do whatever is next. Here's part of Akimu's weapons, which is his shield, and I love its design. It looks like a pretty cool weapon. I guess we shall now attach it to his left arm, and come on, Andrew, you can do this. Ta-da! And now we'll build his other weapon. And here's the first part of the second weapon. It's breakdancing. And it's camera. Akimu's hammer is finished. And I kind of messed up a few steps along the way, but here it is now. And it is going to be attached right on his right arm. Come on, you're stronger than this. And now, finish the weapon. Then, and add the mask. And Akimu is finished and ready to fight Skull Grinder. And now we build the pedestal for the mask of creation. The pedestal for the mask of creation. And with that, the Mask Maker vs. Skull Grinder set is complete, and I have finished building everything from Bionicle that was released in 2015. Well, enough fanboying here. I'm done.